How to fix audio not playing in WavePad. First of all, if your audio is not playing in WavePad, start by checking your computer's audio output. Make sure your speakers or headphones are properly connected and the volume is turned up. Next, restart WavePad to refresh the program. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix playback issues. If the problem continues, check the audio file itself by playing it in another media player to ensure the file is not corrupted. Then, in WavePad, go to the Options under Tools menu and verify that the correct audio playback device is selected. Choose your default speakers or headphones from the playback device listed. You can also try updating your audio drivers by visiting your computer or sound card manufacturer's website and downloading the latest drivers. If you have any third-party audio plugins installed in WavePad, disable them temporarily to see if they are causing conflicts. Finally, if none of these solutions work, consider reinstalling WavePad to fix any corrupted program files. And that's it. Now you know how to fix audio not playing in WavePad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.